Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do Celsius Parkour Reborn easy method. First, familiarize yourself with the game's unique movement system. Focus on mastering the basic jumps and wall runs, as these are crucial for progression. Always look for safe landing spots to prevent unnecessary falls and keep your flow going. This foundational practice will make more complex sections much easier to tackle. Next, let's refine your movement. Practice combining double jumps with air dashes to cover greater distances and reach higher platforms. Mastering wall climbing and precise ledge grabs will open up new pathways. The key is to link these actions smoothly, creating a continuous flow that feels natural and efficient. This will significantly improve your ability to navigate challenging sections. Now, let's focus on navigating obstacles with ease. Always scout ahead to identify the simplest route through intricate sections. Pay attention to environmental clues that hint at what's coming next. Consistent practice in timing your jumps and dashes is vital for clearing those tricky gaps. Remember, patience and observation are your best tools for overcoming any hurdle. Finally, here are some tips for consistent success. Regular practice is essential for building muscle memory and sharpening your reaction times. Observing experienced players can reveal new strategies and clever shortcuts you might not have considered. Most importantly, maintain a calm and persistent attitude. Don't get discouraged by failed attempts. Each one is a learning opportunity. Keep trying, and you'll master it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.